Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Today we will discover gypsum false ceiling design ideas. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to channel. Please watch the video till end. The first thing most people notice when entering a room is the ceiling, because this area can either add beauty to the room or make it dreadful. Those days are gone of plain concrete or wooden ceilings, since we live in an age when people are seeking to practically transform their homes into public displays of art, as if competing to see whose home has the best interior design. One way to achieve this is to change the entire look of your ceiling using a gypsum board. Gypsum false ceiling has always been a popular product in the building industry, but today this material that is always readily available, inexpensive, noise and moisture insulated, can be easily manipulated to create the most incredible wall and ceiling designs. Some other advantages of using this gypsum board or plasterboard material are that it can be quite easy to install, it's fire resistant, durable and versatile. If you enjoyed these beautiful gypsum false ceiling design ideas, make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Royal Constructions and Interior Decor. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. Enjoy the video.